Welcome back. Today's episode is dedicated to a group of professionals who don't always get the spotlight, but are absolutely critical to plaintiffs during a lawsuit: case managers. If you've been injured in an accident, you know the legal process can be slow and stressful. There's paperwork, medical appointments, and mounting financial pressure. Many plaintiffs feel overwhelmed, and they're just not sure where to turn. That's exactly when case managers step in. Throughout this episode, you're going to learn exactly what case managers do, how they help plaintiffs handle financial stress, especially through options like pre-settlement funding, and why their support often makes all the difference. So whether you're a plaintiff, an attorney, or a case manager yourself, stick around because today we're diving into the role that helps hold everything together. Understanding the role of a case manager. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly does a case manager do? When people file personal injury claims or workers' comp cases, they often assume their attorney handles every single detail, but that's not the case. Attorneys focus on strategy, settlement negotiations, and legal battles, while case managers handle day-to-day essentials. A case manager coordinates medical care, manages appointments, tracks medical records, and acts as a liaison between you and your lawyer, healthcare provider, and financial resources. Imagine navigating through stacks of medical bills or arranging appointments while you're severely injured. Case managers take on this burden for you. Let's clarify something important. Case managers are not attorneys. Their job isn't legal representation. Rather, they're your advocate, your guide, and coordinator, ensuring your needs are met while your attorney handles the legal fight. How case managers help plaintiffs access financial relief. When you're waiting for a settlement, financial struggles quickly become overwhelming. Medical bills don't stop, rent is still due, and everyday expenses pile up. Many plaintiffs, particularly those in states like California, Michigan, or New Jersey, feel trapped because insurance companies delay settlements, hoping that you'll settle early and cheaply out of desperation. That's where case managers step in. Let's look at an example. Jennifer was injured in a serious slip and fall accident at a grocery store in Arizona. She had to undergo surgery, extensive rehabilitation, and was unable to work for nearly a year. Her financial situation quickly spiraled out of control. Her case manager, Angela, stepped in immediately. Angela coordinated medical appointments, arranged transportation to therapy, and connected Jennifer pre-settlement funding through Stonewood Funding. With Angela's guidance, Jennifer received funding within 24 hours. That allowed her to pay rent, buy groceries, and continue physical therapy without any interruption. This financial support not only relieved Jennifer's stress, it prevented her from accepting a low settlement offer. When her lawsuit settled, Jennifer received significantly more compensation because she wasn't pressured by financial desperation. Case managers understand exactly what resources their clients need. They can identify when someone is under severe financial stress and help them apply for resources like pre-settlement funding. Unlike attorneys who are primarily focused on legal strategy, case managers ensure clients remain financially stable enough to make informed decisions, rather than accepting a lower settlement out of desperation. Let's look at another example. This time about a case manager named Carlos in Pennsylvania. Carlos was a construction worker who suffered a severe back injury due to unsafe working conditions. Unable to earn income, he quickly fell behind on mortgage payments. His family was struggling and on the verge of eviction. His case manager, Robert, intervened at the critical moment. Robert didn't just schedule medical care and document expenses. He personally helped Carlos find temporary financial solutions. He guided Carlos through applying for pre-settlement funding from Stonewood Funding. After approval, Carlos received the funds in less than 48 hours, immediately preventing eviction and allowing him to continue necessary medical treatment without the pressure to settle early. Without Robert's timely intervention, Carlos might have accepted the first low offer from insurance adjusters. Instead, because he received financial relief early, Carlos could wait for the fair settlement his family deserved. This story isn't unique. It illustrates how crucial the case manager's role can be in turning a difficult situation into a hopeful one. Here are some frequently asked questions about case managers and pre-settlement funding. Let's take a moment to answer a few of these common questions. Question 1. Can my case manager directly apply for pre-settlement funding on my behalf? Answer. Your case manager can help you understand your options and gather information, but you still have to apply directly, often online, and your attorney provides the necessary case information. Question. Do I need my attorney's approval to get funding? Answer. Yes, your attorney must provide the details about your case. This ensures you qualify for the funding based solely on your case's strength, not your personal credit history. Question. What happens if I lose my case after getting funding? Answer. Pre-settlement funding is non-resource. If you don't win your case, you don't owe anything. You keep the funds without repayment obligations. Question. Can my case manager help me with financial negotiations, like lowering medical bills? Answer. Absolutely. Case managers frequently help negotiate reduced medical bills and establish manageable payment plans with healthcare providers. If you're injured, overwhelmed, and financially struggling, your case manager can be your strongest advocate. They don't just keep you organized, they connect you to real solutions, easing financial burdens and helping you feel supported during one of life's toughest moments. Remember, insurance companies often rely on financial hardships to pressure plaintiffs into accepting unfairly low settlements. Don't let that happen to you. If you're under financial pressure, ask your case manager about pre-settlement funding or visit stonewoodfunding.com directly to learn more. At Stonewood Funding, we deeply appreciate the critical role case managers play in supporting plaintiffs through challenging times. To all the dedicated case managers out there, your efforts don't go unnoticed. You're making a difference every day. And to those listening who need help, remember, you don't have to navigate this alone. Reach out to your case manager or contact us today. Together, we'll help you stay stable, reduce stress, and ensure you receive the fair settlement you truly deserve.